Before we get started, if you want to actually see how the system I'm talking about works, go to sevenfiguremonk.com and grab the free Freedom Formula Blueprint. It shows you exactly how people earn 100% profit on $600, $900, and $1,400 digital products they don't have to create themselves. I'm Dan from Michigan. I help everyday men and women make seven figures online without having to work a job. But it always wasn't like that. A few years ago, my income was cut in half with a 3-week email notice that basically said, you can stay or you can go. That email hit me like a brick to the chest. I remember staring at the screen thinking, after everything I've done for this company, this is how it ends. You ever have a moment where you realize the life you've been building isn't actually yours? That you've been trading your time for paychecks that never seem to stretch far enough? That was my wake-up call. I wasn't broke, I was boxed in, overworked, underpaid, and tired of building someone else's dream on my time. So if you're watching this feeling like there has to be more to life than barely getting by, you're not crazy, you're correct. The system was never built for your freedom, but you can build one that is. When my pay was cut, I tried everything. Affiliate marketing, MLMs, selling a green drink for $14 a sale, you name it. And every time I'd make a sale, I'd look at the commission and laugh so I wouldn't cry. 14 bucks. Meanwhile, bills didn't get smaller. The rent didn't get cheaper. Then I discovered digital products with master resale rights. Instead of earning $14, one sale could mean $1,400 in profit, 100% mine. The difference wasn't just math, it was mentality. I went from hustling for scraps to building a real system that runs 24/7. That's when I realized it wasn't that I wasn't working hard enough, it's that I was working for the wrong machine. The truth is, most people don't fail because they lack discipline or brains. They fail because no one ever gave them a system that pays them back for their effort. The education system teaches you how to be employable, but no one teaches you how to be free. That's what this series is about, freedom. Not the kind you post about on vacation, the kind you wake up with every day. The kind where you don't have to ask permission for time off to live your life. The internet has changed everything, but the average person is still using it like a toy instead of a tool. There's a shift happening right now. The people who learn how to leverage digital systems are quietly breaking out of the rat race. They're not smarter, they're just plugged into something different. Picture this. Imagine working 2 hours a day from your phone, not because you're lazy, but because you finally built something that works when you don't. That's the 2-hour workday model. It's not a dream, it's a design. And it starts when you realize that every minute you spend building someone else's brand could be spent building your own. I know what you're thinking. Sounds too good to be true. That's what I thought too, but when I looked around, I saw people half my age making real income online because they had systems that did the heavy lifting. They weren't smarter, they were leveraged. Automation is just a fancy word for freedom on autopilot. Instead of chasing people, your system attracts them. Instead of explaining your offer 100 times, your emails do it for you. Instead of hoping for a raise, you set your own price. That's what changed my life, automation and ownership. Once you understand that you can own the system instead of working inside it, everything shifts. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not magic. You still have to learn, apply, and stay consistent. Results aren't typical, don't be typical. Most people quit because they want a shortcut. Freedom is earned through decision, not luck. I used to wake up with that pit in my stomach, wondering how long my money would last, checking my bank app before buying groceries. Now I wake up with peace because I built something that doesn't depend on anyone else's approval. You can do the same. The difference is you need a plan that's proven to work for real people, beginners, busy people, non-tech people. That's why I share this. We're told to climb a ladder, but what no one tells you is the ladder is leaning on the wrong wall. You don't need a promotion, you need a platform. When you build a digital platform, you own your time, your audience, and your income. This is the part that most people miss. They focus on income before infrastructure, but the money comes after the machine is built. The Freedom Formula Blueprint shows you how to build that machine step by step. So as you're watching this, ask yourself, how many more years are you willing to trade for a paycheck that barely covers your peace of mind? How much longer are you willing to wait for someone else to decide your worth? If the answer is no more, you're ready for this journey. In this playlist, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from overworked and underpaid to owning a profitable online business that works around your schedule. Each episode builds on the last, so stick with me to the end. We'll talk about how the system works, how to launch in a single day, how to let automation handle the follow-up, and how to turn your time into true leverage. But first, you need to wake up because the world is changing and the window of opportunity is wide open right now. When I started, I didn't have followers, fancy gear, or tech skills. What I did have was a decision that I was done being average, done living for weekends, done hoping for security instead of creating it. That one decision led me here, to a business that earns 100% profit on digital products that I didn't even have to create, automated systems that run when I don't, and a community of mentors and people who teach me how to keep growing. And now I get to show you, because if you watch this far, you're not the average viewer. You're the future builder, the person who feels there's something bigger inside them waiting to wake up, and it's time to prove it to yourself. So here's your first step. Go to sevenfiguremonk.com and download the free Freedom Formula Blueprint. Read it, study it, use it. It will show you how to launch your own automated business in one day with 100% profit on $600, $900, and $1,400 products, digital products. You don't need experience. You don't need an audience. You just need commitment. Because the truth is, you were never meant to spend your life trading hours for income. You were meant to create leverage, and this is how you start.